Now I'm looking at this post from Mashable, and here you have Dustin Moskowitz, who was the co-founder of Facebook, along with Mark Zuckerberg. And Dustin is essentially talking about the intense pressure in the tech industry to perform, and this is in the context of the a piece which was published in the New York Times, where Amazon's overall work culture was criticized in a big way. Employees spoke about the intense pressure on them, the immense, persistent desire for them to perform at practically any cost. So this is what he's saying, that essentially work life balance is compromised when it comes to the Silicon Valley. And a lot of industry experts or people, associated around this industry, especially talk about the additional number of hours that need to be put in, where 8 hours are not really looked at as adequate. My point is that it shouldn't be that stringent. Now I'm looking at the post on Mashable itself, where you have again Facebook co-founder slamming Silicon Valley's misguided work-life balance. See, in reality, what I've seen in life is that this whole thing that, oh, 8 hours and that's it, and these number of hours, I don't think so. And also the fact that, working more affects your health or your life, or that beyond a point there isn't much productivity. I don't know. I think we are very flexible, and the way I see it, sometimes even if I'm working, say, 16 hours, 20 hours a day, I'm okay. Nothing happens to me. And if God forbid something happens, if it's actually related to my having put in additional effort or not, is debatable. You can't say that, okay, you work too hard and that's why something happened, XYZ happened. All that is, in hindsight, it's difficult to say that. You can't really easily attribute anything negative to these things happening, to your work lifestyle, your hours of work, etc., etc. The way I see it is that the tech industry overall, like a lot of other industries today, is extremely competitive, and that's why there's always pressure to perform. These companies, they do need to look at their bottom lines. It's the same way that other businesses in any other industry also need to. So when you have a competitive work environment, this work life balance, etc., is much harder to maintain. It's easier said than done. I've given the link to this post from Mashable in the description of the video below, so you can take a look. My overall feeling is that these things need to be taken in a slightly lighter vein. So much of seriousness around work-life balance and the fact that we can only work X number of limited hours and nothing beyond that. It's debatable. Often you do need to put in that much effort, and eventually it pays off. And the irony is that as you read through this post, you will find that Dustin himself spent a lot more time than these 8 hours, which are often talked about when he was at Facebook, when he was driving a lot of things there. So it's much easier said than done, and there is genuine competition in the industry. So you have to shape up or ship out. That's what I have seen. So keep these things in mind when it comes to the work environment. It's not as simple as it may seem. Cheers.